Hello, this is Dr. Nusharani showing how to grow microgreens on egg carton. For this, we need to prepare the egg carton first. So, we have to take a skewer or a knife, something sharp, and make a hole or two at the bottom of each section of the carton. So, this will ensure proper drainage when watering the plants. Fill each section of the egg carton with the moistened potting soil. So fill it close to the top but not all the way, as you will need to put one more layer of the soil on top of the seeds. Then you have to plant the seeds. They sprout well if they are soaked and drained. These are the fenugreek seeds that I have soaked for 24 hours and then drained. Evenly scatter a good amount of seeds to each section of the egg carton. So, microgreens are the seedlings of edible vegetable plants and herbs. They usually take 2 to 3 weeks to grow and are harvested when they are about 1 to 3 inches above the soil line. They are very nutrient dense. Add a thin layer of soil on the top of the seeds and pat gently to settle the soil around the seeds. Spray water and then place the carton on a sunny window. Here I have prepared another carton with potting soil for coriander seeds. So I am placing the ground soaked and drained coriander seeds over the soil, distributing the seeds evenly, and then placing a thin layer of soil over the seeds. Finally, sprayed little quantity of water, and let's see what happens. After 2 to 3 days, this is how fenugreek seedlings look. And after 1 week, these are the seedlings of fenugreek. So they have grown properly over the carton. I'm just spraying water. On the other hand, the coriander seeds have also started sprouting up. They are a bit slow in sprouting. That is why they have to be ground and then soaked and planted. So after 2 weeks, this is how the fenugreek seedlings look. So they are about 4 to 5 inches in length over the soil line. Just spray water about 2 to 3 times a day. And then the coriander seedlings have to still grow. They are slow in growth. More number of seeds have started sprouting up. So this is how the status is. In the 4th week, the fenugreek seedlings are ready for harvest. So I'm just separating them from the soil. So add microgreens to your next salad, sandwich or smoothie, or you can just juice them or use them as a garnish on an omelette or a bowl of soup. We can also eat them as they are for a delicious healthy snack. Microgreens are fun, easy to grow and are a nutrient-packed addition to any meal. So it is an interesting activity where even the kids can have a blast planting, watering, caring for and watching the seedlings grow. Preparing for the next cycle. So we can grow microgreens for broccoli, cabbage, carrot, lemongrass, mustard, radish, spinach, wheatgrass, etc. Finally, the carton also can be composted. So happy planting, happy growing and happy eating. Thank you.